Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie. Like always, I'm coming at you with a makeup tutorial plus a hair video, but the hair video will be separate. In other words, this makeup tutorial is very glitz and glam with a nude lip, but it's on the neutral side. It's like browns, stuff like that. I don't know, it's really pretty. All these glitters combined together. I don't know if you can really see or tell the glitters are shining or not, but they are popping, especially in person. I will leave all the lists to the products that I use in the description right below. At 150, almost 51,000 dollars, almost on the road to 200k, y'all. So I'm so excited. See how I achieve this look? Then keep on watching. My lips to be plump, so I'm going to go in with my lip injections by Too Faced, y'all, and apply this on my lips. Got some injections. It just make your lips like. Have you ever seen those lip glosses with plump stuff in it and make your lips tingly? The longest brow tutorial. No, it's not a tutorial, but after I did my brows, I then applied my base, which is a P.louISE base in Room number 3, y'all. First shade that we're going to apply is, I don't want to shimmer for my brow bone today. I haven't did non-shimmer on my brow bone in a minute. I got my 167 brush and I'm going to the P.louISE palette, and I'm going to grab this shade right here. It's like a neutral tone shade that's going to be applied right there on the brow bone. So I'm just giving this a second to dry. The shade is called Trippin'. This color I want is Flaming Kisses. These are from Makeupaddiction. The Savannah Desert one and this one. I don't know why I thought these were from Melkior. This is the Morphe 514 brush. Add it right there to give me that warmness. Two more transition colors. The first one would be, the first one I'm going to add is Bestie, and I'm just going to pat this on with my brush. I'm gonna add black. I want to add this black from Melkior Shadow. This is called Black Velvet. And with is Melon pigments from MAC. Next shade that I'm going to go in with is my Makeupaddiction Holy Glow Volume 2 palette. And I'm going to take this gold shade right here. A Bestie mixed with a little bit of Latte, which is these two, and put it right at the end. Now I'm going to go in with Inglot Gel Eyeliner number 77, and I think we're going to wing this. We're going to wing this one out. About to add the glitters. The first glitter that I'm going to use is on the white part. Is this Pearlized Glitter from MAC. I'm looking all over and it's right there in my face. So this is how the glitter looks. That mixed and medium, I didn't really like that one. So I'm just going to use my super stronghold eyelash glue in clear. So now I'm about to go on with this gold glitter right here. And it's from Mermaid Scales. And it's called, I don't know, some saying. I'll leave a description box below, y'all. Foundation, I'm going to take this spray real quick. Just a little bit. This is primer, coconut primer from Smashbox. And for foundation today, I used to love this combo, y'all. This made my face look so flawless. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear W1 Deep Spice, and then Lancome Tinted Idole foundation in the shade 510 Suede. Went ahead and smoked out underneath the eye. This looking so cute. I know in person, like, you can really see this glitter shining. And with my Bobbi Brown bronzer in the shade Deep 4. I usually go in with my highlighter first, but today we're going to go into the bronzer and then highlight and then the contour. Which you don't need all this because you already have a face structure. You could just do bronzer and that's it. Take this blush, and this is in the shade Telling Glow by MAC. So this is like a highlighter slash blush, y'all. It is so gorgeous. When I say gorgeous, I'm taking this pencil out, Nicka K Makeup Dark Brown. So I say Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Peachy. Take Oyster Girl. Take J Cat Beauty's lipstick in the shade, I think this is Honeymoon. end it. I need to know before I end the series. Other than that, comment what you liked about this tutorial down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and also share this video. See you guys on the next tutorial.